In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Hostinger email subscription quickly and confidently, whether you're switching platforms, reducing monthly expenses, or simply reorganizing your online tools. Managing this process is surprisingly simple. I'll guide you step by step so nothing feels confusing or rushed. Before we begin, it's helpful to understand what canceling actually means. When you disable auto-renew, Hostinger stops future billing immediately. Your email service will still stay active for the remainder of your paid period. This gives you plenty of time to download important messages, export contacts, update login emails on other websites, or prepare a smooth transition to a different provider without losing access. Having this extra time makes the process easier and helps avoid unnecessary pressure while you move things over. Let's get started by logging into your Hostinger account through the H panel. This dashboard is the main control center for every hosting service you manage. Once you're inside, take a moment to look around if it's been a while. Getting familiar with the layout makes everything much easier and helps prevent mistakes as you navigate the next steps. Next, head to the billing section located on the left side. When it opens, you'll see options like paid invoices and subscriptions. These areas contain all your financial and renewal details. Click on subscriptions or whichever option displays your active plans to view everything tied to your account. Scroll through the list until you locate your email hosting plan. If you have several services, take your time and be sure you select the correct one. Each plan includes an auto-renew toggle. This is the setting we need to change for the cancellation. Turn the auto-renew switch off. Hostinger will likely show a confirmation message to ensure the change wasn't accidental. Read the message, confirm your choice, and the update will be applied immediately. Once this is done, your subscription will no longer renew, and that's all there is to it. Your Hostinger email subscription is now set to end automatically when your current billing period expires. You won't be charged again, and you still have plenty of time to back up files, organize your account, or prepare your next email solution at your own pace. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped make the process clear and easy to follow. If you need more guidance with Hostinger or other online tools, be sure to check out our other beginner-friendly videos. They are designed to save you time and help you manage your online services with confidence.